Jai Swaminarayan. Exercise number 6.4. Question is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square, and if EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, then find BC. Okay, now we have to find BC. Here they have said that areas of the triangles are similar and their areas are given. So we can go directly that if the ratios of the area of two similar triangle is equal, ratio of the areas of the two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Ratio of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of their square of the corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF. BC upon EF. BC upon EF whole square. Area of triangle ABC is 64 and DEF is 121. BC square upon EF is nothing but 15.4 whole square. So BC square is equal to 64 into 15.4 into 15.4 divided by 121. So BC means square root of this 64 square root is 8 and this is 2 times, so 1 is 15.4 and 121 square root is 11. So our final answer is 11.2 centimeter. Final answer is 11.2 centimeter. That is the length of side BC. Our second example is diagonals of a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. AC and BD is a diagonals. With AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at point O. If AB is equal to 2 times CD, then find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and triangle COD. Okay, now in trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, which they have given. Now diagonals AC and BD are intersecting at A. So in triangle AOB and COD, angle AOB and angle COD are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Now angle OAB and angle OCD, this is parallel line and this is just a intersecting line. Then angle OAB and angle COD are alternate angles. So here these and these are alternate angles and they are always equal. So angle OAB equal to angle COD, just like these two parallel and this is a transversal. Now using AA criteria, we can prove that OAB is similar to OCD. If similarity is there, then we can say that ratio of the area of the two similar triangles, similar triangles, area upon AOB and COD is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means AB square upon CD square. Now we are aware that AB is equal to 2 times CD. That is also given. AB is equal to 2 times CD. So this value AB is equal to 2 times CD. If we will put in this first, then area of the triangle AOB upon area of the triangle COD barabar is equal to 2 CD whole square is equal to 4 DC square upon DC square. DC cancel, so 4 by 1. So area of triangle, ratio of the area of the triangle is equal to 4:1. Now in figure ABC and EF are two triangles. ABC, that is upper, ABC and DBC, this is upper and this is lower triangles on the same base BC. On the same base BC, upper, down and upper. If AD intersect BC on O, show that area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AO upon DO. That I have to prove. Every time we have to prove side square, but here it is not like this. So what I am going to do? First, triangle ABC and DBC are on same base BC. Also BC and AD are intersect O at O. That is given. Now what we are going to do, that I have drawn AE which is perpendicular to BC and DF which is also perpendicular to BC. Now triangle AOE, in triangle AOE, AEO is 90 degree and DFO is 90 degree. Means these and these are equal. So angle AEO and DFO both are 90 degree, so they are similar. And AOE and FOD, otherwise DOF, whatever is there, these are the opposite angles, so they are also equal. Again I am saying, in these two triangle AEO and DFO, angle AOE and angle DFO both are 90 degree, so they are equal. And angle AOE and FOD, they are also similar because they are opposite angles. So AEO and triangle DFO are similar because A similarity. Now their corresponding sides are in proportion. If two triangles AEO and DFO are similar, then their corresponding sides are also in proportion. Similar triangles, in similar triangles, angles are equal but sides are in proportion. So AE upon DF is equal to AO upon DO. AE upon DF, EO upon AO upon DO. That is, we have to write. So that we are going to use in next. Now we have written that triangles are similar, so corresponding sides are similar. So AE upon DF is equal to AO upon DO. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 BC into altitude, means base into altitude. So base is BC and altitude is AE. And triangle DBC, area of triangle DBC is equal to 1/2 again BC upon DF, because this is altitude and BC is the base. Now ratio of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BC is equal to 1/2 BC upon BC, 1/2 BC into A upon 1/2 BC into DF. this, and this is gone. So AF upon DF is there. Now we have already proved that AF upon DF is equal to AO upon DO. Here we have just, I will show you. Here triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to base BC into 1/2 AE, and triangle DBC is equal to base 1/2 base એટલે BC and altitude is DF. That we have used. And if two triangles are similar, at that time we have shown that AE upon DEF, EO upon DO. Why we have used AO upon DO and AE upon DF? Because this will come in area, and AO upon DO, which we want in answer. Otherwise we are also aware that EO upon FO is also there. So I can write here is equal to EO upon FO will be there also there. But this will not be in our use, so we have not written. Now AF upon DF, what? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AF upon DF, which we have proved. Now we are aware that AF upon DF is equal to AO upon DO. So from 3 and 4 we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO, which we have to prove. Now our fourth example. If areas of two similar triangles are equal, then they are congruent. We have to prove. Okay. Now we have two triangles, that is ABC and DEF. They are similar. They are similar. They are similar. Here in question they have that if the areas of the two similar triangles are equal means triangles are similar and their areas are also equal are given. But we are aware that ratio of the area of the two similar triangle is equal to the ratios of the square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square is equal to BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon DF square. But areas of these two triangles are equal. So these and these are equal. It means ratio is equal to 1. These are equal. So equal, so we can cancel out. So it is 1. It means AB square upon DE square is equal to BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon DF square is equal to 1. Means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF is equal to 1. It means AB is equal to D, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF. That we can prove. Now, if sides are equal, then triangles are congruent. Again, here two similar triangles are given and that areas are also equal. Triangles are similar and areas are equal. But if triangles are similar, then area of the triangles, ratio of the triangles are is equal to ratios of the corresponding sides square. So AB square upon DE square is equal to BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon DF square. Area are equal, so these and this is cancelled because it is 1. Now AB square upon DE square is equal to BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon DF square is equal to 1. Both sides if I will take square root, then AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF is equal to 1. So from here if I will compare with 1, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. So sides are equal, mean triangles are congruent.